how to play Spotify and YouTube simultaneously at the same time. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you play Spotify and YouTube simultaneously at the same time. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to firstly open the Spotify app on your device. So simply open the app Spotify. Alright, so now from here you'll have to play one songs from here. So I'm playing this one, and now from here you'll have to just back from here and you have to open the YouTube application. Alright, so now from here you'll have to try one video for playing. So I'm playing this one video. Alright, so as you can see, while playing this YouTube video, the Spotify video is automatically stopped, so there is no any such options like you can play Spotify and YouTube video at once. So there are some limitations to play both at the same time on your mobile devices. So if you are on any other devices like PC or desktop, you'll be able to play both at once. So this is the informative video whom I want to give you. If you found this video helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.